Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can view the stories in your Signal desktop app. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to install it, and after that we have to create an account. And as you can see, now I'm going to open this, and as you can see, has option for the click to compose button. If you want to send someone to messages, you can also do that. And here section, as you can see, this is the call section. Now what we need to do, we have to go to the stories section, and after going to the stories section, as you can see, as the my stories, and you will be able to see all the added stories here. If someone and any user in you from your contacts has added a story, you will be able to see that story here. So if you want to add new, you have to click on this photo or video, you have to choose that. And for example, I want to add this, and let's click on the open, and the story will be sent. As you can see, now let's click on the next, and now simply we have to click on the my story, and after that, as you can see, all Signal connection, so we have to click on the save. And after clicking on the save, as you can see, now it's done. And now let's click on this, and as you can see, your story will be sent. And here's the story, and my story, as you can see, it's here. And if you want to click on the new, you can also do that. Let's click on this. So as you can see, now the story is sent. So in this way you can view the stories and add the stories on your Signal app. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.